This is unbelievable. Meet Samson, holds the world record as the tallest and heaviest horse in history. Born in 1846 in Toddington Mills, Bedfordshire, England, he belonged to the Shire breed. By 1850, he reached an astonishing height of 7 feet 1 or 2 inches or 2.19 meters. He was taller than the average NBA player, who stands around 6 feet 7 inches or 2.01 meters. His weight of 3,360 pounds or 1,524 kilos is equivalent to the combined weight of about 20 average adult men, each weighing 170 pounds, 77 kilos.
Unbelievable. These dogs are the ugliest of the ugly dogs. They look quite different from other dogs, with funny, crooked smiles and patches of fur missing. Despite their appearance, their owners love them dearly. Because of them, there is a world's ugliest dog contest in California. To everyone's surprise, these dogs won. Everyone cheered and celebrated their unique charm. They showed the world that true beauty lies in being loved and happy, no matter how you look.
Extremely rare yellow penguin photographed by wildlife photographer. Lions pretend to be hurt by the bites of their young to encourage them. A swarm of 20,000 bees once followed a car for 2 days because their queen was inside. Subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. Did you know some snails can sleep for up to 3 years during droughts? They're like nature's power nappers. Plus, snails have over 14,000 tiny teeth for munching on leaves. Many snails are hermaphrodites, meaning they have both male and female reproductive organs. So any two adults can mate. Their shells grow with them, layer by layer. Despite moving at just 0.03 miles per hour, or 0.048 kilometer per hour, some snails can live up to 25 years. Snails are full of surprising secrets. To know more amazing facts, subscribe. It's hard to believe, but the heart of a blue whale weighs around 900 kilo, almost 2,000 pounds, which is nearly the size of a mini car. The blue whale's heart beats once every 10 seconds, pumping 220 liters, about 58 gallons, of blood through its body. The heart beats so loudly that it can be heard from 3 kilometers, almost 2 miles, away through sonar equipment. Female blue whales weigh more, around 190,000 kilo, about 419,000 pounds, compared to males who weigh around 150,000 kilo, about 331,000 pounds. A newborn blue whale, weighing around 2,700 kilos, almost 6,000 pounds, is roughly the same weight as an adult hippopotamus. Thanks for subscribing. Unbelievable. Meet Fenrir, born on December 11, 2017, the Savannah cat from Farmington Hills, Michigan, USA, who set the Guinness World Record for the tallest cat with a jaw-dropping height of 47.83 centimeter or 1883 inch. Fenrir is not just a record breaker, but also a beloved therapy cat. Want to know more about his incredible story? Stay tuned.
This is unbelievable. If a female fox dies, her mate will stay single forever, but widowed female fox look for a new mate immediately. This is one of the best preserved mammoth ever found. Her name is Liube and she is around 42,000 years old. Sunflowers are actually made up hundreds of small flowers in near perfect symmetry. Don't forget to subscribe.
Unbelievable. Seahorse is the only animal which male seahorse gets pregnant instead of female. Honey is the only natural food that is made without destroying any kind of life. Tiger have striped skin, not just striped fur. Don't forget to subscribe.
Kangaroo rats are the animals that can exist without water entire life. Pacu fish is a species of fish whose teeth look exactly like those of a human. Squirrels will adopt another squirrel baby if its parents die or are unable to take care of them. Subscribe.
These cats are often seen as the ugliest of the ugly cats. They look quite different from other cats, with funny crooked smiles and patches of fur missing. Despite their unusual appearances, their owners love them dearly because of their unique charm. To everyone's surprise, these cats won everyone's heart, celebrating their special beauty. They showed the world that true beauty lies in being loved and happy, no matter how you look. If you love them, subscribe.
This fish is unbelievable. Here, we see a small fish inside a jellyfish. At first glance, it looks like the fish is trapped, but there's more to this story. Remarkably, the fish can actually control where the jellyfish moves, like a living, breathing submarine. Why would a fish hide inside a jellyfish? The stinging tentacles provide protection from predators, a safe haven in a dangerous world. The jellyfish also attracts small organisms, offering the fish a steady source of food. Nature's wonders never cease to amaze. Subscribe for more incredible ocean stories.
This dolphin has problem. He is addicted. He have a risky game he loved to play with one of the ocean's most dangerous creatures, the pufferfish. These fish exude a deadly poison called tetrodotoxin, poisonous enough to kill 30 adult humans. Yet, he carefully catches them, passing them around like a living game of catch. Each gentle bite gives him a narcotic effect, avoiding the lethal dose. Miraculously, the pufferfish often survive this strange encounter. Next time you see a dolphin, remember, their playful antics can come with a dangerous twist. Did you know that Icelandic horses can never return to Iceland once they leave? Here's why. Iceland enforces strict biosecurity measures to protect its unique horse breed from diseases. Because Iceland is so isolated, its horses are free from many common equine diseases. Allowing them back in could introduce harmful pathogens and risk the health of this ancient breed, which has been developed in isolation for over 1,000 years. So, once an Icelandic horse leaves, it's a one-way trip to ensure the safety and purity of those at home. The smallest horse in the world is named Thumbelina, and she's no bigger than your average golden retriever. This dwarf miniature horse stands just 17 inches tall, or 43 centimeters, and weighs around 57 pounds, or 26 kilograms. Born in 2001, Thumbelina lived in St. Louis, Missouri. She died at age of 17. Thank you for subscribing. This man has problem. He died. He is found dead on grass with bear. In 1883, the body of a bear and Frank Devereaux were found dead beside each other, with the ground around them thrashed for 20 square feet. It's believed the man and the bear fought to the death. I think he won the fight. This animal is have problem. He is the smallest living mammal on Earth by weight. He is called Etruscan shrew. This nocturnal insectivore is found in parts of Eurasia and North Africa. Their weight ranges from 1.20 to 270 grams, and their length is 36 to 52 mm. It is also known as Etruscan pygmy shrew and Savvy's pygmy shrew.
Did you know that orangutans are incredibly resourceful? Indeed, they use leaves as umbrellas and craft tools from branches. And what about their strength? An orangutan can lift up to 7 times their body weight. That's like an average human hoisting a small car. Curious about their diet? These gentle giants love fruit, but they also munch on over 400 types of plants and even bird eggs. Ever noticed how similar they are to us? Orangutans share nearly 97% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. But where do they call home? Orangutans are only found in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra. Lastly, did you ever wonder about their lifespan? In the wild, orangutans can live up to 40 years, a testament to their resilience in their natural habitat. Did you know termites are blind? Indeed, these little architects navigate and build complex colonies without ever seeing their surroundings. And speaking of colonies, ever wonder how large they can get? Some termite supercolonies stretch across acres, housing millions of termites in intricately constructed mazes. Curious about their diet? Termites are not picky eaters. They can digest cellulose thanks to microscopic organisms in their guts, turning wood into food. Now, are termites ancient creatures? Absolutely. They've been munching through wood since the time of the dinosaurs, over 100 million years ago. But do all termites cause destruction? No. While some species are notorious for damaging homes, others play crucial roles in their ecosystems by breaking down dead wood and enriching the soil. Lastly, can termites be beneficial to humans? In some cultures, termites are a crunchy, protein-rich snack and even used in traditional medicine. Did you know red deer are among the largest deer species? Indeed, males can weigh up to 400 pounds. And why do they have such impressive antlers? Primarily for battling other males during the mating season, which peaks in autumn. What's unique about their fur? It changes colour, from a reddish-brown in summer to greyish in winter. Ever heard a red deer roar? During the rut, their roaring is as captivating as it is intimidating, a true call of the wild. But where can you find these majestic creatures? Predominantly in Europe and Asia, with thriving populations in Scotland. Lastly, are red deer good swimmers? Absolutely. They can easily cross large rivers and lakes in search of food or mates.
The platypus is one of the few mammals that lays eggs. Indeed, along with echidnas, they're the sole survivors of the egg-laying mammalian group called monotremes. And what about their bill? It looks like a duck's, but it's actually packed with sensors, helping the platypus detect prey underwater through electric fields. Now, ever seen a glowing platypus? Under ultraviolet light, their fur emits a captivating green-blue glow. It's a mystery still being unraveled by scientists. Venomous mammals are rare, but male platypuses sport spurs on their hind legs that can deliver a painful venom used primarily during mating season battles. Think all mammals have stomachs? The platypus might surprise you. They actually lack a stomach, digesting food directly in their intestines. Lastly, baby platypuses are adorably known as puggles. Born blind and hairless, they depend entirely on their mother's care in their early stages. Intriguing, isn't it? The platypus, a creature of oddities and charm, thanks to its spectacular long spiral tusk, which is actually an elongated tooth. But what purpose does this tusk serve? Surprisingly, it's not for combat. Rather, it helps narwhals sense changes in their environment, detecting temperature, pressure, and even the salinity of the water. And where do these mystical creatures live? Narwhals are residents of the Arctic, navigating the icy waters around Greenland, Canada, and Russia. Ever wondered how they communicate? Narwhals use a series of clicks, whistles, and knocks. These sounds not only help them find prey, but also enable them to navigate the pitch-dark depths of the Arctic winter. What about their diet? Narwhals feast mainly on fish, shrimp, and squid, diving up to 1,500 meters to chase their next meal. Lastly, are narwhals social? Absolutely. They travel in groups called pods, which can contain anywhere from 10 to several hundred individuals, sharing the cold Arctic world.
You know that bison are North America's largest land animals? Indeed, males can weigh up to 2,000 pounds. Quite the hefty fellows. Now, what's the difference between bison and buffalo? While often used interchangeably, the term buffalo technically refers to species in Africa and Asia. Bison, on the other hand, roam North America and parts of Europe. And about their fur. Ever wonder why it's so shaggy? This thick coat protects them from harsh winters, with a lighter version to suit the summer. Curious about their running speed? Despite their size, bison can sprint up to 35 miles per hour. That's faster than a horse at full gallop. Have you heard how they communicate? Bison have a variety of vocalizations, from grunts to bellows, each serving unique herd interactions. Lastly, their conservation status. Is the bison still at risk? Thanks to massive efforts, they've moved from near extinction in the 19th century to a conservation success story today.
Manatees are also called sea cows. It's because of their slow grazing nature, much like cows on land. How much can a manatee weigh? Surprisingly, up to 1,300 pounds. That's about as heavy as a small car. What do manatees eat? These gentle giants are herbivores, munching on over 60 different freshwater and saltwater plants. Can manatees see well? Despite their small eyes, manatees can see quite well, though their eyesight isn't their primary sense. How long do manatees live? In the wild, they can live up to 40 years, navigating the waters with their whisker-like vibrissae. Why are manatees so important? They help maintain healthy river ecosystems by keeping aquatic plants in check, which ensures diverse and balanced habitats.
Did you know walruses can sleep while swimming? That's right. These marine giants catch their Z's in water by inflating a pouch in their throat, turning themselves into buoyant bobs. Ever heard a walrus sing? They're quite the vocalists, using a variety of bellows and whistles, each unique like a fingerprint to communicate and find a mate. How much do they eat daily? Imagine gulping down over 100 pounds of seafood every day. Clams are their favorite, which they suck out of the shells with powerful mouths. And speaking of power, ever wondered about their tusks? These can grow up to 3 feet long, primarily serving as ice picks and helping them hoist their massive bodies out of chilly waters. Can walruses see underwater? Barely. They rely more on their whiskers or vibrissae, which are super sensitive, helping them detect the slightest movements in murky depths. Lastly, did you know walruses are surprisingly social? They gather in large herds on icy shores, snuggling for warmth and companionship. How's that for a chilly cuddle party? 6 fun facts. First, can they recognize themselves in a mirror? Absolutely. Bonobos display self-awareness similar to humans and some other primates when confronted with their reflection. Next up, do bonobos enjoy music? Curiously, they do. Studies have shown that bonobos can exhibit preferences for certain types of music, often calming classical pieces. And how do they communicate? Bonobos are quite the chatterboxes, using a variety of vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions to communicate. Do they like to play games? Unquestionably. Bonobos are playful throughout their lives, engaging in games that test their intelligence and social bonds. What about their diet? Primarily, bonobos are herbivores, enjoying a mix of fruits, nuts and seeds, but they also occasionally eat insects. Lastly, are they good at solving puzzles? Impressively, yes. Bonobos have been observed using tools and solving complex problems, often for a tasty reward. Fascinating creatures, aren't they? First off, can gorillas live with humans? Technically, yes, but they require immense care, specialized diets and environments that mimic their natural habitat. How strong is a gorilla? A silverback's strength is legendary, capable of lifting up to 10 times their body weight. That's like one lifting a small car. What do gorillas eat? Mostly vegetation. They spend about 14 hours a day munching on leaves, stems and fruit, with a particular fondness for bamboo. Can gorillas learn sign language? Indeed, some have been taught to use basic sign language, showing profound levels of understanding and communication. How long do gorillas live? In captivity, gorillas can live up to 50 years, considerably longer than in the wild, due to medical care and steady diet. And finally, do they make good pets? Despite their fascinating nature, gorillas are wild animals with complex needs, making them unsuitable and unethical to keep as pets. So, while the idea might be intriguing, gorillas belong in the wild or in sanctuaries designed to meet their extensive needs. Ever wondered why hamsters stuff their cheeks? Well, in the wild, these tiny furballs use their stretchy cheeks to carry food back to their burrows. It's not greed, it's survival. And did you know hamsters are night owls? Well, not literally, but they are nocturnal. This means they're most active during the night. So if you're looking for a buddy to join your late-night movie marathons, a hamster could be your perfect companion. Now, how long do these adorable creatures live? Typically, a hamster's lifespan ranges between 2 to 3 years. Cherish every moment with these swift little friends. Lastly, can hamsters learn their names? Surprisingly, yes. With consistent training and some tasty treats, these intelligent critters can respond to their names. Just don't expect them to fetch like dogs. There you have it. Fascinating snippets from the life of a pet hamster.
I bet you don't know, but wolves have a sense of family. They live in packs, which are just like our nuclear families. And did you know they can roam up to 12 miles in a single day in search of food? Surprisingly, wolves don't always hunt in packs. Sometimes they prefer a solitary hunt. And their howl? It's not just for communication, it's also a GPS, helping them locate their pack members. Here's a fun fact. Wolves have 42 teeth, just like your pet dog. And lastly, the smallest wolf species is the Arabian wolf, which is similar in size to a medium-sized dog. Breathtaking, right? Subscribe for more unknown facts. Catch you in the next loop. I bet you don't know. Horses have a memory span of 20 years. Their teeth can give us a peek into their age. Did you know? Horses can't vomit, so a balanced diet is crucial. They also possess the largest eyes among land mammals. Incredible, right? And finally, a horse's heart weighs a whopping 10 pounds. Intriguing, isn't it? Stay curious, my friends. I bet you don't know, but wolves have a sense of family. They live in packs, which are just like our nuclear families. And did you know they can roam up to 12 miles in a single day in search of food? Surprisingly, wolves don't always hunt in packs. Sometimes they prefer a solitary hunt. And their howl? It's not just for communication, it's also a GPS, helping them locate their pack members. Here's a fun fact. Wolves have 42 teeth, just like your pet dog. And lastly, the smallest wolf species is the Arabian wolf, which is similar in size to a medium-sized dog. Breathtaking, right? Subscribe for more unknown facts. Catch you in the next loop. I bet you don't know this about snakes. Fact 1. Some snakes, like the king cobra, can stand up to 1/3 of their body length. Fact 2. An anaconda can grow up to 30 feet long. That's as long as a school bus. Fact 3. Snakes smell with their tongues, not their noses. Fact 4. Certain species, such as the boomslang, have eyes that can change color. Fact 5. The death adder has the quickest strike of any snake in less than 3/10 of a second. Fact 6. The inland taipan's venom is so potent it can kill 100 grown men with a single bite. Fact 7. Snakes don't have eyelids, they sleep with their eyes open. Fascinating, aren't they? Until next time. I bet you don't know these 7 fascinating facts about ants. 1. Ants are as old as dinosaurs. Fossil records reveal they've walked the Earth for over 100 million years. 2, they can carry up to 50 times their body weight. That's like an average adult lifting 2 cars. 3 ants have 2 stomachs, one for themselves and one for sharing food with others. 4, the total weight of all ants on Earth is likely to be greater than the weight of all humans. 5, ants don't have lungs. Oxygen enters through tiny holes all over their body and carbon dioxide leaves the same way. 6, ants are farmers too. They grow fungus which they feed on. Lastly, 7, there are over 12,000 known species of ants worldwide. Intrigued? Hit subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.
Cold open. Did you know donkeys are far more than just hard-working farm animals? Let's kick off with 6 intriguing donkey facts. 1. Donkeys have excellent memory. They can remember places they've been or other donkeys they've met for up to 25 years. 2. They are desert dwellers by nature. Originating from arid regions in the Middle East and Africa, they're well adapted to scanty water and food resources. 3. These creatures are not stubborn, as often portrayed. They're cautious, preferring to thoroughly assess their surroundings before making a move. 4. Donkeys communicate using a wide range of vocalizations, including the famous hee-haw that can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. 5. A group of donkeys isn't called a herd, but a pace. And 6. Donkeys have a lifespan of 30 to 50 years, with some even reaching beyond that. There you have it. 6 fascinating facts about our 4-legged, long-eared friends. Stay curious.
Cats. Nature's most elegant creatures, yet their beginnings are shrouded in mystery. Let's unravel 5 beguiling facts about kittens. 1. These fluffy beings are born deaf and blind. Their senses only sharpen in the first few weeks. 2. Did you know kittens can dream? Just like us, they experience rapid eye movement sleep. 3. A kitten's purr can be a form of communication, not just contentment. 4. They're born with blue eyes. Most change color as they grow, but some remain as blue as the ocean's depths. 5. Kittens are born with all their teeth. They're just not visible until they're about 2 weeks old. Fascinating, isn't it? Unearth more mysteries of the feline world. Subscribe now. Journey with me into the fascinating world of camels, the ships of the desert. First, did you know camels have 3 eyelids? That's right. It's their unique defense against sandstorms. Second, they can drink up to 40 gallons of water in just 15 minutes. Talk about a hydration station. Third, they don't actually store water in their humps. It's fat. This provides energy when food is scarce. Fourth, camels can change their body temperature to avoid sweating and conserve water. Resourceful, isn't it? Fifth, camels can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, faster than you might think. Lastly, they can carry loads of up to 900 pounds. That's equivalent to carrying around 4 adult humans. And there you have it, 6 remarkable facts about camels. Intriguing, isn't it? Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating snippets from the animal kingdom. Goodbye for now, and stay curious. Dive into the fascinating world of doves. Fact 1. Doves are a symbol of peace, love, and new beginnings. Fact 2. They can see ultraviolet light, a spectrum of light invisible to us humans. Fact 3. These birds are monogamous, sticking with one partner for life. Fact 4. Doves can fly at incredible speeds, reaching up to 55 miles per hour. Fact 5. There are over 300 species of doves worldwide. Fact 6. Doves produce their own milk. It's called crop milk. And both parents feed their young with it. Astonishing, isn't it? Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating facts. Until next time. Did you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards? That's right. These delightful creatures can hover in mid-air, fly forwards, upwards, and even upside down. But it's their unique ability to fly backwards that sets them apart from all other bird species. Impressive, isn't it? Consider their heart rate too. It can reach up to 1,200 beats per minute. Now that's fast. And despite their tiny size, hummingbirds are known for their long-distance migration, with some species traveling over 500 miles non-stop. Quite the little marvels, wouldn't you agree? If you're intrigued and want to know more, make sure to subscribe for more captivating facts about the world around us. Stay curious, my friends. Ever marveled at the peculiarities of kangaroos? Here are 4 fascinating facts about these creatures. First, they can't walk backwards. Their muscular tail and long feet hinder retrograde motion. Second, kangaroos are unique large animals that hop to cover vast distances in Australia. Third, female kangaroos can pause their pregnancy, a phenomenon known as embryonic diapause. Lastly, kangaroos have a lifespan of 6 to 8 years in the wild, yet can live up to 20 years in captivity. Intriguing, isn't it? For more captivating facts, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep your curiosity piqued. Unmasking the enigmatic marsupial, the koala. Fact 1. Contrary to popular belief, they're not bears but marsupials like kangaroos and wombats. Fact 2. They have a unique fingerprint eerily similar to humans. Fact 3. Their diet consists almost exclusively of eucalyptus leaves, consuming up to 2.5 pounds daily. Fact 4. Koalas sleep, and they sleep a lot. Up to 20 hours a day to conserve energy. Fact 5. They have a slow metabolic rate due to their high-fiber, low-nutrition diet. Last fact, koalas are mostly solitary creatures, except during mating season. Enthralling, isn't it? Unveil more fascinating insights about the world around us. Subscribe and stay enlightened. Immerse in the world of tigers, creatures of majestic strength and beauty. Fact 1. Did you know tigers are the largest species of the cat family? They can reach up to 11 feet in length. Fact 2. Their distinctive coat isn't just for show. Each tiger has a unique pattern, much like human fingerprints. Fact 3. These solitary hunters prefer the cover of night, making them exceptional nocturnal predators. Fact 4. Tigers are excellent swimmers. Unlike most felines, they enjoy cooling off in water. Fact 5. A tiger's roar can be heard as far as 2 miles away. Impressive, isn't it? And finally, fact 6. Tigers are endangered, with fewer than 4,000 left in the wild. So, there you have it. 6 fascinating facts about tigers. For more intriguing insights, remember to subscribe. Keep learning, keep exploring. Until next time, farewell. Discover the majesty of lions, the kings of the jungle. 1. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away, their powerful vocals echoing across the savannah. 2. Lions spend a staggering 20 hours a day sleeping. Quite the lazy king, wouldn't you say? 3. A lion's eyesight is 5 times better than a human's, perfect for their night hunts. 4. A group of lions is known as a pride. But did you know it's the lionesses who do most of the hunting? 5th and final, a lion's tongue is so rough it can lick the paint off a wall. A rather unusual paint remover. Intrigued? Subscribe for more fascinating facts. Unleash your curiosity as we delve into 6 fascinating facts about rabbits. 1. Did you know these furry creatures can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour? That's faster than some cars in the city. 2. Their ears not only enhance their hearing, but also regulate their body temperature. 3. Rabbits are crepuscular, meaning they're most active at dawn and dusk. 4. Their teeth never stop growing and can grow nearly 5 inches per year. 5. They can't vomit, so diet is crucial. 6. A rabbit's lifespan varies widely from breed to breed, but some domestic rabbits have been known to live into their teens. Fascinating, isn't it? Dive into more intriguing facts with us. Subscribe and stay enlightened. Subscribe now and immerse yourself in the world of the ostrich, the world's largest bird. Fact 1. An ostrich's eye is larger than its brain, offering a wide field of vision. Fact 2. Ostriches can run up to 43 miles per hour, outpacing most predators. Fact 3. They can't fly, but their powerful legs can kick with force to fend off threats. Fact 4. Ostriches lay the largest eggs of any bird, which can weigh up to 3 pounds. Fact 5. Contrary to popular belief, ostriches do not bury their heads in the sand when frightened. Fact 6. Ostriches have a lifespan of 40 to 45 years in the wild. Fancy that? Intrigued? Stay tuned for more such fascinating facts. Subscribe now. Ever marvel at an eagle soaring high? Majestic, isn't it? But did you know an eagle's vision is up to 8 times sharper than a human's? That's right, they can spot a rabbit from 2 miles away. Impressive, isn't it? Moreover, these magnificent creatures can reach speeds up to 100 miles per hour during a dive. Another fascinating fact, eagles mate for life and build some of the largest nests known to birds. Some nests can weigh as much as 2 tons. Imagine that. So next time you spot an eagle, remember these fascinating facts and appreciate the marvel that they truly are. For more intriguing tidbits like these, subscribe and stay enlightened. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies. Ever wonder about the fascinating world of chickens? Here are 6 quick facts that might surprise you. 1. Chickens are quite intelligent. Their memory spans over 5 years. 2. They communicate with over 30 distinct sounds. 3. Chickens can run up to 9 miles per hour. That's faster than you think. 4. They dream, just like humans, experiencing rapid eye movement during sleep. 5. Chickens can see a wider range of colors than humans, even ultraviolet light. 6. The world's oldest known chicken lived to the ripe age of 16. Intriguing, isn't it? If you enjoyed these facts, remember to subscribe for more. Until next time. Welcome to a whirlwind tour of the world's fastest creature, the falcon. Fact 1. Falcons are the speed demons of the avian world, with the peregrine falcon reaching speeds over 200 miles per hour in a dive. Fact 2. Falcons have a unique tooth on their beak, a notch known as a tomial tooth, used to sever the spinal cord of their prey. Fact 3. Falcons possess a third eyelid, a translucent, nictitating membrane which cleans and protects their eyes while maintaining visibility. Fact 4. Falcons use the Earth's magnetic field for navigation during their extensive migrations. Fact 5. Falcons have been trained by humans for hunting, a practice known as falconry, for over 4,000 years. Fact 6. The female falcon, the falconess, is typically larger and stronger than the male, the tiercel. Dive into the world of falcons, subscribe for more fascinating facts. Delve into the fascinating world of mantises. Did you know that these agile insects are known for their ambush hunting style? They lie in wait, camouflaged within their environment before striking prey with lightning speed. And what about their eyes? They boast a remarkable field of vision. Each eye is made up of thousands of tiny lenses, enabling them to detect movement from all angles. Finally, let's touch on their fighting prowess. In the world of martial arts, there's a style named after them, the praying mantis kung fu. It's inspired by the mantis's swift, precise movements and deceptive stillness. There you have it. 3 intriguing facts about mantises, nature's perfectly designed predators. Stay curious and keep exploring our wonderful world. Did you know that elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? With a weight of up to 12,000 pounds and a height of up to 13 feet. These gentle giants are truly impressive creatures. Here's a fun fact for you. Elephants have a great memory. Their recall ability extends to other elephants, humans, and mirror self-recognition. Talk about being smart. Elephants are also known for their incredible communication skills. They converse using a mix of sounds, gestures, and infrasound. It's like they have their own secret language. Speaking of communication, did you know that elephants have super-sensitive hearing, picking up low-frequency sounds beyond human range? It's like having superpowers. Another fascinating fact about elephants is their trunk. This isn't just a nose, it's a multi-purpose tool. Used for many tasks, it's like having an extra limb. Finally, did you know elephants are herbivores? They've an enormous appetite, feasting up to Ever marveled at the intelligence of dolphins? Buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of these marine maestros. Unbeknownst to many, dolphins have their own language. Yes, you heard right. They communicate using a series of clicks, whistles, and body movements, each with a distinct meaning. But there's more. Dolphins are known to display empathy, a trait considered rare among animals. They've been observed helping injured or ill members, demonstrating a level of compassion that's truly remarkable. And for the sports enthusiasts out there, dolphins are natural acrobats. They can leap as high as 15 feet out of the water. Now that's a slam dunk. Isn't the world of dolphins intriguing? Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating facts. Stay curious, stay enlightened. Did you know goats were one of the first animals to be tamed by humans over 9,000 years ago? Quite a bond, isn't it? And their pupils, they're rectangular, not round, to offer a wider field of vision. Ever heard a goat bleat? They have accents, you know. Yes, individual dialects based on their surroundings. Fascinating. We all love a good coffee, but it was goats who discovered it, or rather their Ethiopian shepherd who noticed their energy spike after consuming coffee berries. And they're not just farm animals. Some breeds, like the Kashmir and Angora, produce luxurious wool. Lastly, goats are incredible climbers. From trees to near vertical mountains, they conquer it all. Intrigued? Subscribe for more such amusing facts. Until next time, stay curious. Unleash the canine curiosity. Fascinating facts about dogs are waiting to be discovered. Dogs have an uncanny ability to understand time, with their inner clocks alerting them about dinner and walks. They possess superior olfactory senses, 40 times stronger than humans, which make their surroundings a scent-filled adventure. Ever heard of a dog that yodels instead of barking? Meet the Basenji, a breed that's as unique as its vocalization. The world of dogs isn't just about barks and smells, it's about speed too. A greyhound in a lengthy race can outpace a cheetah. Surprising as it may sound, those cute whiskers on your dog's face work like night vision goggles. The final fact to present is about the bloodhound. This breed is so reliable that tracking ability is legally admissible evidence. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, if you've enjoyed these canine curiosities, subscribe for more fascinating factoids. Imagine a creature small and cute yet brimming with curiosity. Yes, we're talking about baby raccoons. 1, they're born blind. It takes about 3 weeks for their eyes to open. Quite the wait, isn't it? 2, they're called kits or cubs, a charming name for equally charming creatures. Thirdly, they're excellent climbers. By 8 weeks, they're scaling trees with ease. Natural-born adventurers indeed. 4th, they can remember solutions to tasks up to 3 years. A testament to their intelligence, don't you think? Last but not least, they're nocturnal. Their adventures begin when the sun dips below the horizon. Raccoons, small yet fascinating. For more intriguing facts, do subscribe. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Catch this! Rats are incredible creatures. Fact 1. Did you know a rat's tail helps it balance, communicate, and regulate body temperature? Quite the multitasking tail. Fact 2. Rats laugh when tickled. Yes, you heard right. They produce a high-pitched chirping sound, much like human giggles. Fact 3. These critters are Olympic-level swimmers. They can tread water for 3 days and hold their breath for up to 15 minutes. Fact 4. Rats have a memory span of up to 3 years. That's longer than some of our beloved goldfish. Fact 5. They're super social, preferring to live in communities. Loneliness can actually shorten a rat's life. And finally, fact 6. Rats are incredibly empathetic, often freeing trapped comrades and sharing food. So there you have it, 6 mind-blowing facts about rats. Who knew they were such complex creatures? Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights. Until next time. Did you know? Cats can't taste sweetness, it's a fact. Their genetic makeup simply lacks the receptors for it. Fascinating, isn't it? Moving on, a cat's brain is 90% similar to a human's. Yes, you heard it right. They share with us more than just emotions. Ever heard of a cat's purr healing bones? Sounds like a myth, right? But it's true. The frequency of a cat's purr can aid in the healing of bones and wounds. Here's a quirky one. Cats can make over 100 different sounds, while dogs can make only around 10. Quite the chatterboxes, aren't they? Lastly, did you know? Cats spend nearly 70% of their lives sleeping. Talk about living the dream. Before we wrap up, hit that subscribe button for more fun facts. Until next time. Delve into the fascinating world of mantises. Did you know that these agile insects are known for their ambush hunting style? They lie in wait, camouflaged within their environment before striking prey with lightning speed. And what about their eyes? They boast a remarkable field of vision. Each eye is made up of thousands of tiny lenses, enabling them to detect movement from all angles. Finally, let's touch on their fighting prowess. In the world of martial arts, there's a style named after them, the praying mantis kung fu. It's inspired by the mantis's swift, precise movements and deceptive stillness. There you have it. 3 intriguing facts about mantises, nature's perfectly designed predators. Stay curious and keep exploring our wonderful world.